Hurricane Dorian, the heat in the East Coast, supposed to be Category 3. We get ready to get out of here. We're trying to load on the last trailer so the trucks can have something to do after the hurricane. We usually take it 1 or 2 days before we come back to work. We getting everything to the hill and just wait and see what happens. This hurricane is so predictable. You never know what they're going to do. And the best thing we can do is just get ready. So I hope everything be all right. We have so much stuff that probably take a whole day to move everything up to the hill. Little snake get run over. I guess she's trying to run away from the flooding too. We don't see they're gonna be flooding over here on help now, you never know. Last hurricane we have the water racing out about 30 foot over here in this area. Most of the flooding that we get in is from we working beside a river, and the river that run all the way to the mountains. So we had a lot of rain, all that water rush over here. And then we have another river down back over there. They're connecting together. So all these waters getting together and they make a big old flooding. So this is what we prepare for. Is what we be working and moving all the equipment up to the hill, and go home and fix things around the house. Some of those we put in boards on the windows and all that stuff. We still got it all doing all that. To get ready for the hurricane. I'll help we live a little older today. We work about 150, about an hour and a half from the house, so take a little while to make to the house. Finally, we got everything in the hill. We're just waiting for the shovel. Trying to get the last load out of the swamp.